Hi students, how are you? Hope you are all fine and doing well. And first of all, thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel, Knox Way to Learn. And in this class today, I am going to explain you one of the easiest topics in grammar for intermediate first year English, syllables. In our public examination, under question number 19, 10 words are given. Now we need to write the number of syllables for any 6 words out of these 10 words, and each one carries half mark. So 6 halves are 3 marks. So in this class today, let's do some practice on this topic. But before doing that, first of all, we must know something about syllables. What is a syllable and how to identify it, and how many number of syllables are there in a word. Okay, so first of all, syllable. A syllable is a group of letters which gives a unique sound. Okay, a syllable is a group of letters which gives a unique sound. That means you take any word in English, you already know in every word there are some letters. We call it spelling. So these letters, some of the letters form a group and those letters give a unique sound. So that is called syllable. For example, you take the word intermediate. So in this word 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 letters are there. Okay, and if you take these two letters in, if you combine these two letters I and n, you can get the sound in. So this is one syllable. Okay, in the same way ter, ter, these three letters give a sound ter. So these three letters form a group and this is one syllable. And me, me, di, d, ate, ate. So in ter, this is first syllable, ter, this is second syllable, me, this is third syllable, d, this is fourth syllable, and ate, this is fifth syllable. Okay, so in the word intermediate, totally there are 5 syllables. Okay, understand what are syllables? A syllable is a group of letters which gives a unique sound. So once again I repeat, in, the letters I and n combine and they give the sound in. Okay, this is one syllable. ter, ter, this is another syllable. Me, this is one syllable. Di, d, one syllable. Ate, ate, this is one syllable. So in this way, in the word intermediate, totally there are 5 syllables. Okay, understand? Now you understand how to identify the number of syllables in a word. You take another word like examination. So here a, this single letter gives one sound, so this can be a syllable. A, ja, me, ne, shan. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally there are 5 syllables in the word examination. So this is the identification of number of syllables in a word. So in this way, in our public examination, some 10 words are given. Out of 10 words, you need to answer any 6 words. You need to write the number of syllables for any 6 words. And one more thing, so this syllable, suppose you, if there is only one syllable in a word, that is called monosyllabic words. Monosyllabic words. If there is only one syllable, that is called monosyllabic word. For example, boy, girl, tea, and new, and child. Okay, if you observe these words boy, there is only one sound, so this is a monosyllabic word. Girl, girl. There are 4 letters in this word, and these 4 letters combine and give a unique sound, girl. So there is only one syllable. T, one syllable, new, and child. There are only one syllables in these words. These are called monosyllabic words. If there are 2 syllables in a word, that is called disyllabic word. Disyllabic word. If there are 2 syllables in a word, those words are called disyllabic words. For example, today, complete, increase. Okay, if you observe these words, today, T-O-D-A-Y, today, two and day, there are 2 syllables, two and day. Here also complete, complete. Okay, complete, there are 2 syllables. Increase, increase. Okay, increase. Here also there are 2 syllables. So in this way, if there are 2 syllables in a word, those words are called disyllabic words. Okay, understand? If there are 3 syllables, we can call them trisyllabic words. Trisyllabic words. For example, dedicate, dedicate, remember, and beautiful. You just observe these words, dedicate, day, decate. There are 3 syllables. Okay, you got it? Day, decate. In the same way, remember, remember, remember. 3 syllables. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There are 3 syllables like this. Okay, so if there is only one syllable in a word, those words are called monosyllabic words. Example, boy, girl, tea, new, child. If there are 2 syllables in a word, that word can be called a disyllabic word. Example, today, complete, increase. Okay, if there are 3 syllables, those words are called trisyllabic words. Example, day, decade, remember, beautiful. There are 3 syllables in this word. And suppose if there are more than 3 syllables, then we can call them polysyllabic words. Polysyllabic words. If there are more than 3 syllables, it may be 4 syllables or 5 syllables or 6 syllables, whatever it may be, whatever may be the number. If there are more than 3 syllables, we can call those words as polysyllabic words. Example, you see this word intermediate. In the word intermediate, how many syllables are there? Totally there are 5 syllables. So intermediate is a polysyllabic word. Okay, understand? Intermediate is a polysyllabic word. In the same way, you take this examination. In the word examination, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 syllables here. So this is also a polysyllabic words. So whatever it may be, in our public examination, 10 words are given. You need to count the number of syllables in any 6 of the given 10 words and you write that number. So automatically you will get 3 marks. So this is one of the easiest topics in grammar. Okay, now let's do some practice on this topic. Okay, now look at these words. Write the number of syllables for the following words. Write the number of syllables for the following words. So you look at the first word, carry, carry. Carry, carry. Here we need to write the number of syllables in this word. So in carry, carry, carry. That means there are 2 syllables in this word. Okay, understand? And one more thing, in your public examination, you need not give this marking like this. you need not to divide the given word like this. I am marking like this for just for your understanding only. Okay, so in the public examination, in front of that word you just give the number, that's enough. Okay, so carry, there are two syllables, otherwise you can write the number also. Okay, so just like 2, there are two syllables. And next one, winter, winter, only there are two syllables, winter, two syllables. And one more thing, all these words have been taken from the previous exam question papers. Okay, so you can expect this kind of words in your public exam also. So look at the exercise carefully. So third one is fantasy, fantasy, that means there are three syllables. 18, two syllables. Okay, observation, observation, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are four syllables. So that means this is a polysyllabic word. Okay, this is disyllabic word, this is trisyllabic word, this is polysyllabic word, because I have already told you, if a word has more than 3 syllables we can call it a polysyllabic word. Okay, so next, girl, 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 there is only one sound, so this is a monosyllabic word, so one syllable is there. And apple, so there are two syllables. Storm, 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 so in storm there is only one sound, so there is only one syllable. And intimate, that means there are three syllables in this word. Next, plight, 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 so this is a single sound, single word, so there is one syllable, plight. Next, extent, so extent, two syllables are there. And machinery, machinery, okay, machinery, machinery, that means there are four syllables. Next, objection, objection, so three syllables are there in this word. Next, photograph, photograph, okay, photograph, that means there are three syllables. And plead, plead, so there is only one syllable. So like this you have to identify the number of syllables in the given words and you write the number like this in the public exam. So this is one of the very easy topics in grammar for intermediate first year English. So totally 10 words are given. Out of 10 words we need to write the number of syllables for just 6 words, and each one carries half mark. 6 halves are 3 marks like this. Okay, so in this way you take number of words and do much more practice. And for your practice, here I will give you an exercise and try to do this exercise, and if you get any doubts ask me in the comment section. I will definitely give you reply. Okay, so take these words and do the given exercise. And this is all about this class, and in the next class let's go to another topic. Until then, bye. And if you feel this video is useful to you, please like and share with your friends so that they can also learn. And if you are watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe to our channel Knox Way to Learn. Thank you so much.